Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, there's never a dull moment in the life of Senator Dino Melaye. It's a drama a minute with this guy. So still engrossed in the throes of a governorship battle with the Yaya Bello in Kogi State, it looks as though the APC government has gone round the back to pull the rug from under his feet. So with that, I bring you this. Dino Melaye sacked. So that's the headline. Dino Melaye sacked as a senator. So that's the headline. Now let's get into exactly what's happened. Senator Dino Melaye has just been sacked from the National Assembly by an election tribunal in Kogi State. It was learned that the Kogi State National Assembly / State Assembly Election Petition Tribunal nullified Melaye's victory. The senator currently represents Kogi West in the Senate. Melaye PDP was declared winner of the February election by INEC, but Senator Smart Adeyemi APC approached the tribunal challenging INEC's declaration, citing irregularities, overvoting, and non-compliance with electoral acts. A three-man panel led by Justice A.O. Chijioke, so an Igbo man, in an unanimous judgment on Friday, accepted Adeyemi's ground and ordered for re-election into the senatorial axis. So now that's the short and sharp caption for that story, but the optic of it, of course, is that Senator Dino Melaye is now former Senator Dino Melaye. So this guy now, who is presently battling Yaya Bello in the courts for not in the courts rather, but in the courts really of public opinion for the governorship of Kogi State, has been sideswiped and had the rug pulled from under his feet by our APC panel of electoral whatever it is, their majority whatever, their kangaroo court have effectively desenatored Senator Dino Melaye. Okay, so let's go on to the next headline, because of course Dino would not take this line down. So, to the next headline, Kogi West, Dino Melaye officially reacts to tribunal's ruling against him. So that's the next headline. Kogi West, Dino Melaye officially reacts to tribunal's ruling against him. So now let's see what Dino has to say. The senator representing Kogi West Senatorial District, Dino Melaye, has declared the ruling of the tribunal nullifying his election victory in the March 22nd, 2019 election and ordering for a fresh election in Kogi West as a total miscarriage of justice. It was reported that Melaye polled a total of 85,595 votes to defeat his APC opponent, who scored 66,902 votes. But the APC candidate, Smart Adeyemi, went on to challenge Melaye's election on 3 grounds of irregularities, overvoting, and non-compliance with the Electoral Act. On Friday, a 3-man panel led by Justice A.O. Chijioke, in a unanimous judgment, accepted Adeyemi's grounds and ordered for fresh elections in the senatorial district. Dino, who had tweeted an initial reaction, has now given his official position first. The judgment is full of importation of information that are alien to the case. I, however, commend the courage and moral strength of the chairman of the tribunal for resisting evil and standing on the part of justice. So that's part P-A-R-T of justice. I have confidence in the appeal court to right the wrongs as contained in the pronouncement of the judgment. I also want to tell those jubilating that their jubilation will be short-lived, whilst appealing to my teaming supporters to remain calm, as their mandate is safe and secured and cannot be taken through any mischievous means. However, our legal team is already working on appealing the judgment, and I assure all that justice will prevail, Melaye said in a statement sent out on Friday. So now this is now the goings on in the life of Dino Melaye. They've been after this guy clearly what they are trying to do is to fill the Senate with yes men. Obviously, they got rid of Bukola Saraki, who was a thorn in their flesh. So now the only remaining thorn in their flesh is Dino Melaye, because Dino Melaye is that rebel voice that remains within the Senate, because all of them are just yes men. We all saw what happened during the screening of the ministers. Take a bow and go, take a bow and go, take a bow and go. Okpabio in court for looting, take a bow and go. All of them in court for incompetence, take a bow and go. This one that has no CV, take a bow and go. This one that said cockroach ate his certificate, take a bow. So it's a take a bow and go Senate that we have now, and the only voice of dissent left in that Senate is Dino Melaye. But of course now they're trying to get rid of him, and they will. We saw what happened in Osun State when they voted for the dancing Senator Adeleke, and they went as far as the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court said to that guy, look, we don't care. They said they don't want you, the powers that be, and that's the end of it. So the mandate of the people have no sway really in Nigeria. Is really what the cabals want that holds in that country. But will they be able to get rid of Dino Melaye? Because Dino Melaye, of course, is a different type of type of animal. He's a screamer and a shouter, and he can make it very ugly and very messy, and he will make it very ugly and very messy for them. So how this pans out, we continue to monitor on this channel, and for you to obviously keep up to date with the latest developments, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Click on the bell button, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come join me in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts are. So I'll carry on with you in the comment section. Leave you here, but here I say peace.